Hi again, it's ApriLynn. We got the curly perm, my hair all fixed, but now we need to fix this color. It looks like a crazy person. I'm gonna be using Pravana Vivids. I've been using Pulp Riot, but every time I use it, when I rinse my hair, wash my hair, it stains every single thing. My whole body will be melting Smurf, and it's really annoying. So I want to see if this will do that. I'm sick of the staining. I don't think I've used this brand and their Vivids before, but I don't think I've ever used black. I've used their red before. Hopefully you don't have to mix this with anything. I want to know why the instructions are always inside the box. How am I supposed to get to you? You're supposed to know without instructions. Okay, no developer, which I thought, but I wanted to make sure. Oh dear, I have no gloves. Are we surprised? No. I got 2 boxes, so hopefully that's enough. It smells good. My hair is so faded, and we'll see how it does on natural hair, because I have a lot of natural root new growth. Wow, beautiful. Kind of looks like a dark, really dark blue. A blue-black.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting.
My face is already about to be stained.
My whole life, is this so? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic, I can't help but think that it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven is not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony? Panic, panic,
I should have detangled my hair, but I didn't want to. Hee hee.
And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch,
like to comb my color through after I apply a better even color that way.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
Saturate, saturate, saturate. Gotta saturate, saturate, saturate. Beautiful. I'm gonna be even more lazy and not take my braid out. Shh. Don't tell anybody.
And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
That was one battle. We have one more. My hands are slippery. How's everyone's summer going? Is it technically summer? It feels like it. It's like a bajillion degrees outside. Ugh, what?
I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. No, I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if
It's a vacation.
to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be
When is the first day of summer? Like, calendar-wise.
alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground.
I'm ready for fall.
So we can fly again. So we can fly again.
I thrive in the cold, not the warm. Beautiful. This looks so good already. I'm excited. I needed a color touch up so bad. My hair was like blue, green, and silver. And brown. Because my new growth color. Multicolor. Unintentionally. I've been really liking the black hair with my perm curls. I like it a lot. I'm gonna have to style it tomorrow because it's too late to style my hair. It's not late, but my hair takes too long to dry. Air dry, anyways. I'm not gonna mess with that thing, that demon thing called a blow dryer. You're cold. Or something like that. I know that is. What do you guys think of this last perm combo? I like it a lot. I was wondering how, like, all the mixed rods would look, and they actually blend pretty good. Surprisingly. Especially if you style it with a styling brush, because they'll pretty much conjoin into one huge clump. I decided to use a clip 80% through my hair dye. Will this come off my hands? Maybe in a couple of days. Or maybe it'll come off right away. Who knows? Guess we'll find out. It's like dark. Looks tie-dye. I like tie-dye. It's fun.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
My poor counter has seen many a hair dye globs dropped on it, and it's white. I'll have to bleach it or something. How does one get hair dye out of countertop? That's my question. The one being me. Oh, it's all over my neck from leaning forward. It's beautiful. This is how much I have. I don't know. I have the 2 bottles on my hair, which is not that long. Pretty thick though. I'm just gonna blob it all on. Blend it in. There's hair everywhere. How's the back look? Did I get it all? If I didn't, don't tell me. Because no one's gonna know except for everybody that's standing behind me. Except for me. Only me. I'll be the only oblivious one. Let me be oblivious. I probably should have taken my earrings out. There's so many. Look at my hand. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, ugh. All that hair shedding because I didn't brush my hair. Blur. Okay, all the hair dye is gone. I'm gonna try and clip this up somewhat. Lovely. Now I need to wash my hands and my hairline. A lot of it came off with just one wash. Look at my nails. Can you see that? Besides the underneath, but like the whatever this is called, that would look sweet as a manicure. I think. Okay, I'm gonna clean up the rest of my face. Let this sit for approximately 10 days. And I'll see you when I rinse it off to see if I turned into a Smurf or not. 2-second later update. Blue Dawn dish soap plus this makeup eraser, which is gonna be stained, is a perfect, oh, I missed a spot, hair dye on your face remover. Okay, bye. Only a little bit smurfy. My nose. So fresh, so fresh, so fresh and so shiny. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The color looks really good. The roots, I don't know if you can tell, are a little bit not as like pitch black. Probably because it's like virgin color, but blends nicely. As you saw previously, it didn't completely turn me into a Smurf. If I can find the picture, I'll show you what I looked like the last time I dyed with the other color. Yay! I feel like a new woman. All the nail or the dye came off except for underneath my nails, so now I look like a dirty person. Oh well, whatever. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Pew 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 pew. Goodbye. Goodbye now.
I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.